Airtable and Notion promise to replace your spreadsheets, your project tools, and maybe even your database. But what happens when your business actually depends on them? Today, we're running a cold, technical teardown of both platforms to find exactly where they break. Airtable markets itself as a relational database for teams. Notion pitches its database blocks as flexible, connected workspaces. Both solve the same early-stage pain, getting structured data out of spreadsheets without hiring a developer. Neither was architected to be a true operational system of record at scale. Airtable's object model is built around bases, tables, and linked records, but referential integrity is soft, with no enforced foreign key constraints to prevent orphaned records. Notion's database is even limited, a block-based document store with database views layered on top, not a purpose-built relational engine. Airtable caps records per base by plan tier, and complex multi-table views degrade visibly as row counts climb into the tens of thousands. On the API side, Airtable enforces roughly 5 requests per base per second, and Notion's public API averages around 3 requests per second, hard ceilings that throttle real-time sync and high-frequency automation. Neither platform supports true transactions, rollback, or row-level locking, meaning concurrent writes in operational workflows carry silent data corruption risk. Airtable's business plan runs around $24 per user per month, with automation runs, sync integrations, and advanced permissions gated behind higher tiers or add-ons. Notion charges per member as well, with AI, advanced permissions, and audit logs sitting behind business tier pricing. At 50 users, you're often spending close to $1,000 a month on tools that still can't enforce data integrity. For early-stage teams managing lightweight workflows, both tools are genuinely useful, fast to deploy, low friction, and good enough. But the moment you need transactional reliability, high-volume API throughput, or enforced relational constraints, you've outgrown them. At that point, Postgres-backed platforms, open-source alternatives like Baze.ro or NoCoDB, or a proper ERP deserve serious evaluation. Check the links in the description for a full comparison breakdown and our recommended alternatives at each scale tier.